Hey everyone, Samanjay here. Today I'm checking out this cool airbrush pen I recently got my hands on. It is supposed to make painting and detailing super easy, so let's see how it holds up. Personally, I love the box, the packaging, 10 on 10. Let's take a look what's inside. Inside the box we're going to have instruction manual to help you start it. Alright, so right out of the box, the first thing is the cordless airbrush pen. This thing looks like it's lightweight and feels comfortable to hold, which is great if you are going to use for a while. You can pull the trigger. Basically, it limits how far you can pull back, so you have a better control on it. It has a little cutout in the back and a little spring. Just plug it into the compressor, adjust the airflow, and you are good to go. The next and very useful thing we have is the airbrush pen holder. It can avoid airbrush pen and compressor falling down. Next in the box we have a little wrench to tighten up the screws and a dropper. You know what a dropper is for. Also inside the box we are going to have your portable airbrush compressor. It's nice size and compact, so you can take it anywhere with you. It has instructions on the front and the back. We'll remove that real quick so we can take a better look at the compressor. It is really nice to see that it has percentage marking to let you see how much percentage is left. Right here is going to be your on-off button. It comes with an extra battery. You can easily swap with the second battery. 2 easily swappable batteries was the main selling point to me for this airbrush kit. They have upgraded the battery installation way. With this new way, the battery will be much more stable. Also inside the box is a charging cable for charging the battery. It's a USB-C that goes into the battery and a standard USB-A. Next we have two different sized containers, a metallic and a plastic one. Attach it to the airbrush gun, pour the color with the help of dropper, and go! That's how you attach the airbrush gun with the compressor. Now inside the box is a braided hose. Though it can work with or without the braided hose, both can reach auto stop function. It's a 3-feet hose so that you can actually hook one end up to your compressor and then hook the other end up to your airbrush gun. This way you have some distance between the two if you don't want to use the compressor directly attached to the airbrush gun. The last thing we have some brushes, basically some cleaning supplies to clean out the cup and the airbrush gun. Alright, now that we have seen what's in the box, let's see how it works and sprays. I'm going to test it on a paper. I'm using the large plastic container and pouring acrylic paint with the help of the dropper. Make sure to clean it after with tissues or brushes. So overall, I can definitely say I do recommend this portable airbrush gun. I like the fact that it comes with 2 batteries and definitely better than all the other airbrush kits in the market. The link of this product is in description, so go and check it out right now, and if you have any questions you can ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.